Hello there, and thanks for joining me for my review of the Zoflora Concentrated Multi-Purpose Disinfectant. This is the Mandarin and Lime version. It smells absolutely lovely. See, it does stay on the front that it's got a 3-in-1 action, eliminates odours, it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, and it gives off a 24-hour fragrance. And it gives some suggestions there, because you can mix it with water to make your own antibacterial cleansing spray. You can also use it to clean floors, and it's really good for cleaning toilets as well. We also use it in our dustbin in the summer when it gets a bit stinky. Just put a bit in the bottom and then some cold water and leave it for a bit, and it makes it smell loads better. So as it says there, a little goes a long way, because you don't need much in there. You dilute it quite significantly. So you see on the back, it says use the Zoflora diluted 1 in 40 parts of water. So obviously that's quite a lot, isn't it? 1 capful will make 400 ml. So this 1 250 ml bottle makes over 10 litres of full strength disinfectant. So we often use this to clean our floors, because we do have a dog, which obviously dog can be a bit stinky, can't they? But it makes the house smell really lovely. But it's fine to use with animals, as it says here, as long as you wait until it's dry, in case they do something daft like lick it. So it also says here you can use it as a spray. If you've got an old spray bottle from something else, you can add 2 capfuls of Zoflora to a clean 800 ml trigger bottle. And obviously that will last you a long time, and it's more cost effective than buying an actual antibacterial spray a lot of the time. So it can also be used undiluted on ceramic and metal sinks, as well as down drains and toilet bowls. So they also suggest here you can use it on your dishcloths and sponges, and on potties, drains and plug holes. So yeah, this is a really, really lovely fragrance, and you're going to be able to see that I have used most of it. But it smells really, really nice. This must be one of my favourite scents of the Zoflora, because it's not overpowering either. The Mandarin and Lime, it's just a really nice fresh smell. So when I use it on the floor, I've got one of the spray mops where you put the liquid in with the water, and then you spray it and then clean your floor, and it's really good for that. A nice idea as well is you could put some in your sink with some water in overnight, and then when you come down in the morning it smells lovely in your kitchen. So yeah, if you're looking for some similar disinfectant product, something to clean your kitchen or your bathroom or your floors with, then I highly recommend this. And as I said, this flavour is beautiful. So yeah, I hope this helps. If you get it, then I hope you're as happy with it as I've been. Thanks very much for watching.